Time to show the room at Shola Crown Resort here in Munnar. Got a safe. Got a... Yeah, we do have a shower, of course. Simple bathroom. Amenities. Fan off, please, because it's really chilly here in Munnar, especially after like 4 or 5 p.m. Nice king size bed. And now, the moment we've been waiting for, the view. Look at this. Oh, this just fell. This is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. The view here. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at this. I haven't seen anyone in the pool. It's quite chilly here. It's quite chilly. So this is the room here at Shola Crown Resort in Munnar. Thank you for making us sleep at night. That one's black.
Hello.
So pretty. Can I feed you? You guys aren't cold at night.
Hi.
Look at that. I'm looking for fish.
But there's no fish there.
At least they're allowed to roam around. We also have a game room here. Small one, but good. And checkers, I think. Everyone loves ping pong. Milkshake. I didn't film it good yesterday. I'm gonna do it again now. Banana fritters. Looks good. We got chicken sausages. Hello. Yeah, go ahead. Ooh, that looks good. So as you can see, a lot of things. VIP. A lot of people this morning. Morning. Very nice. Did I mention that Shola Resort has their own cardamom plantation little site? It's a little trek from the hotel. Really nice. Wow, it's a rock or what? Massive. Beautiful. Great. We're here. April, oh rain, a lot of rain. Take a picture. So I'll give you my review of the Shola Crown Resort here in Munnar. Firstly, the rooms have beautiful views of the mountains, as you've seen. So really blessed with that. Very comfortable beds. One thing that I will tell people that, especially foreigners that come to Munnar, please don't forget to bring a sweater, maybe even a jacket. We didn't know that. I watched many YouTube videos and no one's ever mentioned to bring long sweaters, jackets, and pants. So definitely that's the #1 thing I would tell people, that if you come in the month of February at least. So food is excellent. We had breakfast buffet, as you guys saw, delicious. Anything you want on the menu, you ask the chef. Super nice, super helpful.
Hi guys, I didn't know Louis was doing our review.
There she is. In general, the staff, excellent. From the general managers in the front to the food and beverage guy, manager in the kitchen, super nice. But overall, please come visit the beautiful scenery as you guys saw in drones and pictures and videos. So 2 thumbs up from High Vibes Travel, and we'll see you soon. Taking it for the team. Oh, by the way, did I mention the water is colder than ice? I can't feel anything, and I mean I can't feel anything. Let's go. Adios. Milenge. Oh, ducks want to say bye too.
Just want to say thank you for everything. Denivad. The food has been on point, not merci, delicious.
Tasty.
Tasty, delicious. Thank you so much for all your hard work. We're not, someone said we're not just people that stay here, we're family. And we feel that we were family here. We were treated amazing, and we will be back. And Tiger, no more ice. I'm good. I won't call you for ice anymore. But
There you go.
Denivad to everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.